Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of editing your community profile picture on WhatsApp. Follow these simple steps to customize the profile picture for your community. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. Step 2. Click on your community. Step 3. At the top right corner of the page, you will find 3 dots. Tap on them to access additional options. Step 4. From the drop-down menu, select the option that says Community Info. Step 5. Within the community information page, you will find an option to edit the community details. Tap on Edit Community Info. Step 6. Look for the community icon and tap on it to proceed. Step 7. Your desired image or choose from the available emojis and stickers. Step 8. Once you have made your selection, tap on Done to save the changes. Step 9. Finally, tap on the check mark to confirm and apply the new profile picture. Please note that only admins have the ability to change this information. That's it. By following these steps, you can easily edit the profile picture for your community on WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.